What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Apologies for my lighting in the corner here. I look like I'm in the twilight zone. It's nighttime here, but I wanted to get a couple videos out. Solana is up 7%. We're up like over 30% on our trade. We're sitting at $29. We're up 7% on the day. See, market cap at 12.05 billion. 25 volume 974 million. So here's our trade. We had our first entry, our second entry. We actually entered the trade, I believe, in August. So it's taken a while to play out. But as you can see, I had entered a take profit right here. And then we had our original TP1, which we're very close to. I just added this take profit in case Bitcoin turned around. And Bitcoin pushed up a little bit higher and Sol absolutely took off. So from our break-even entry, that trade at that peak, basically 40%, 39%. So that's a pretty juicy trade. And a signal was given in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. So as of right now, off this low here, we'll quickly let it load up. Come on, bruh. Absolutely brutal. Okay, here we go. So this low at $17, we broke out of this descending channel, falling wedge. 1, 2, pushed up in a wave 3, pulled back into 4, and we have a very explosive overextended wave 5. So the micro count that I'm looking at, let me use my brush. We pushed up in a wave 1, we pulled back in a wave 2, we pushed all the way up to the 1.618 in a wave 3. Now we can pull back from here in a wave 4, but of course a wave 3 can overextend 2.618 even higher. But if we do pull back, then we look for that wave 4 and put in a wave 5. And that will complete our larger wave count, complete that wave 5, and that's when we could see potentially a larger pullback. But as you can see, we're up massively already on our trade, and we've almost hit our next take profit. So if we take a look at Solana here on the daily, we were looking at this bull flag, and we exploded to the target. We are pushing up into massive resistance in between $29 and $30, so that could definitely offer a rejection point and some pullback. We have the bullish cross of the EMA, so it's looking pretty healthy and pretty good for continuation, very impulsive. So if we do see a pullback soon in that wave 2, we see a nice wave 2 pullback. That could offer another entry for a long trade, and a signal will be given in the Discord. My signals are only 10 bucks a month. You can sign up to the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, you get $200 completely to trade with, $100, $20, my subscribers only. And then you can join the Discord for 10 bucks a month. You get daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As I was saying, we're doing well on that Solana trade, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Nice Matic trade up 73%. Huge Solana trade 258%. A nice Gala trade 145%. And not only that, but I also give signals and analysis for Forex. So all for $10. You can trade crypto, you can trade Forex, you can see my trade setups, my signals. Sign up to the Patreon, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.